It is time for the top 10. These are the only trades you need to know about today. All right, let's start with number 10. Burberry. Shares of the British luxury retailer plunging in London after it announced a first quarter sales miss. Morgan Stanley says the slowdown, quote, highlights caution for European luxury competitors.
And number 9, Scarlet, is Mead Johnson getting a boost this morning after yesterday's drop following China's apology for a, quote, faulty statement claiming the food manufacturer put a banned flavor additive into its baby formula. Josh.
Number 8, EADS, producer of Airbus planes. The airline is scrapping its goal of selling 30 A380 super jumbo jets this year, instead opting for smaller, less expensive aircraft. Airbus has been struggling with its larger planes, with deliveries in the first half of the year only meeting a third of the annual goal. Over to you, Scarlet.
Number 7, Marriott. The international hotel operator is reporting earnings after the bell today. Investors seem to be tempering expectations. They drove down their share prices more than 2% yesterday.
Well, number 6 is corn. Futures for the commodity are rising after the U.S. Department of Agriculture cut its harvest estimates by 12%. And of course, this all has to do with the severe drought affecting much of the Farm Belt. Josh?
Number 5, Goldcorp, the Canadian gold producer, fell in the pre-market after it cut its 2012 production forecast by almost 10% after operational issues at 2 of its most important mines.
All right, number 4 is Penney. More pain for the struggling retailer and its CEO, Ron Johnson, after the company announced 350 job cuts at its Texas headquarters. This all part of a plan to cut $900 million in expenses. Dom?
Yeah, Facebook's number 3, as Mark Zuckerberg and other top executives arrive in Sun Valley. Reports of a deal possibly between the social network and NBC Universal over the Olympics coverage. The agreement is expected to be announced later on today. Sheila.
Well, I'm going to stick with deal-making, Dom, because number 2 is AMR, the airline ready to consider mergers and other restructuring options as it seeks to exit bankruptcy. CEO Tom Horton said that American Airlines will begin to reach out to interested parties to explore new options. Scarlet?
Number 1, JPMorgan. There we have it. Our top stock this morning after new reports that the bank may reclaim millions of dollars in stock from the executives involved in the firm's trading losses. We're going to get more details when the company unveils its second quarter financial results Friday morning, 7 a.m.